Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit your shipping address on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to edit your shipping address on Grailed. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and go to the Grailed website at www.grailed.com. Then click on the login button if prompted in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use your Google/app credentials if you sign up that way. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your home page or the dashboard. In the top right corner of the page, hover over it and you find a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on My Account, and that's going to open you up to the My Account section. Head over to the left navigation panel and you find a couple of options under My Account. One of them includes addresses. Select addresses, and that's going to open up the address window. Now, in the address page or on the address page, go ahead and click on Add New Address if you've not added an address. Like I have not added an address, so I can just go ahead and click on Add New Address. But if you've added an address already, you'll definitely find the edit or pencil icon next to the address. Okay, so click on that and make your changes there. But if you want to add a new address, just click on the Add New Address button and just fill out the form. In the address form, ensure that the name matches the person receiving the package. Then the street address, update the street number, the street name, or any apartment/suite details. Of course, modify the city if necessary. Then select the appropriate region for the drop-down menu. And of course, update your postal code to ensure accurate delivery. And once you're done with all of this, go ahead and click on Save Address. After saving, verify that the updated address now appears correctly under the addresses on which is here. Okay, so if you frequently shop on Grailed, ensure that this new address is set as your default shipping address for future orders. You may see an option to mark it as default or primary address. Now, if you no longer need an old address, you can delete it by going back to the addresses section. So next to the address, click on the delete or trash icon to remove it from your account. Once you have updated and verified your shipping address, you can log out by clicking on your profile icon, which is optional, and selecting logout from the drop-down menu, which is here, or sign out in this case. So sign out or log out depending on your updated version of Grailed. But this is pretty much optional. You don't need to sign out or you don't need to log out. Just change your address and then it's going to reflect. And that's how you edit your shipping addresses on Grailed. Go over to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.